Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Bake with Khushi, and today I'm going to be showing you how to preserve strawberries for at least a year without any sugar syrup, jam or compound. I love strawberries and these strawberries will stay good for a lot of time. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, for this today I've taken around 8 boxes of fresh strawberries. You can see these boxes, this is how they come. Now I've opened them. So these are extremely fresh and I had stored them in the fridge previously, and now what I'm going to do is first I'm going to wash these strawberries. Now you can wash them under running water, but they may spoil your strawberries due to the pressure water. So instead I'm going to soak these strawberries in water for 2 to 5 minutes like this. Now what will happen is all the dirt will automatically come off. Now as you can see, I've taken only pink strawberries to preserve, as these are the best quality. Do not take the ones which are very white or are getting spoiled or something. Try avoiding those. Now I'm going to move these strawberries in the water so that each and every strawberry can get cleaned, and you'll slowly see dirt particles floating away. It's been 5 minutes and now I'm going to try taking out all my strawberries like this. Don't take the entire bowl and pour your strawberries, because then some strawberries may get squished. Instead I'm going to use my hand and I'm going to slowly take it out in the strainer so that the excess water can come out and these strawberries can dry faster. You can see how dirty the water is. Just imagine eating all of this. So it's better to always soak in your strawberries before preserving them. Now my strawberries are all good, so I'm going to first take out the top part and then I'm going to cut it into slices. Remove all the bad parts of the strawberry and the green part, and now I'm trying to cut my strawberry only into 2 halves like this, so that these strawberries can be used for anything. If you take too many small pieces out of the strawberry, then you will only be able to make a jam or a compound out of it. You will not be able to eat your strawberry completely. Now we're going to do this to all our strawberries. Now what I'm going to do is I've taken a tray here and I'm going to line it with a butter paper, parchment paper, and I'm going to start keeping these strawberries. I'm going to spread it out evenly on the tray like this. Now what this will do is that we're going to keep this in the freezer for 10 to 12 hours, and this will keep our strawberries separate. If you directly keep your strawberries in a Ziploc bag or an airtight container, your strawberries will start sticking to each other, but if they're hard already, they won't be able to stick. So like this I'm going to separately put them. While these strawberries set, I'll show you the batch that I had previously made. These are some strawberries that I had frozen around 2 to 3 months ago, and you can see how good they still are. They're very hard, but before using them you're supposed to thaw it, so you can keep it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours, and then they'll taste just like your normal strawberries too. It's been 12 hours and you can see that there's a very thin layer of ice on these strawberries. That means they're perfect now. You can see that they've turned extremely hard. That is something that you can notice. I've taken around 3 plates, or you can have 3 trays to store them. You can see this ice also. Now what we're going to do is we're going to transfer all these strawberries in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag, anything that you have currently. I've taken this big box here, and now I'm going to start by taking out my strawberries. These strawberries are a bit hard to come out, but if you leave it for 2 to 5 minutes outside, it will be very easy for them to fall off the tray. These strawberries are now good to go in the freezer, and they will be good for at least a year, though my strawberries get over before a year. So my video is now done. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and do let me know how your strawberries turned out.